I'm going to discuss the issue of localization. So it really matters which localization is set per keyword. And if you look here, we have 3 keywords. Each has a different localization. And you can see that they have a very different rank and also a very different search volume. That's as it should be, okay? Every country has very different rankings and very different search volumes. Everything is different. In this video, we will explain how we can set the localization either for the entire website or for a specific keyword. Another thing would be to set it up for a country or per zip code. If all of your keywords are on the same localization, meaning the same country, what you should do is go to the settings, domain settings, account details, and here you'll find a field called localization. So you choose your country, and that will be the default. So from now on, every time you add a keyword, it will be under this localization. So I chose US, everything here will be US. If you want something different than the default, what you should do is to add it in a specific format here. For example, if I add this suggestion, you'll see that it adds the keyword ** and the localization code, in this case NL. And that is the way to do to add a localization per keyword, which is different than the default localization. Okay, so in this case, everything is US, but we can still add keywords that are not US, okay, using this way. Now, if we want to add the keyword from the ranking screen, it's the same. We do add keywords, and here, if we want to add a keyword, we can add it like this, and if we put here ** UK, it will be from UK, and we could add another one, and this time let's say we want it to be from Germany. Okay, now that's it, and you press add. If you want to see all the localization codes that exist, you'll find it in the search term screen. Here you can see the list. Okay, on the left side you see the code, and on the right it says the country that it represents. Okay, now if we want to track some keywords not only by their country but also to be specific to a city or even a zip code within the city, we could do that using this notion. We put the keyword **, the country code, **, and then the zip code. And this will be localized to that zip code.